Hello guys and welcome to this new trip report. In this video I'm continuing my Croatian journey on board the Croatia Airlines Bombardier Dash Q400. I'm at Pula airport right now and I'm flying to Zagreb. The aircraft is 10 years old and the registration is 9A Charlie Quebec Foxtrot. There were like 40 people on board this flight, which is actually pretty good compared to my previous flight on board this Dash Q400. This aircraft is still wearing the old Croatia Airlines livery, which is actually better than the newer one in my opinion. My seat is going to be 5A for this 40 minutes ride and it means a very cool engine view. Alright, now let's take off and enjoy the view.
Ladies and gentlemen, in addition to our standard service, you have a choice to buy a wide range of products. You can find our special catalog in the seat in front of you. If interested, please contact the crew.
welcome to Zagreb. The onboard service was only a glass of water, and that's all you get on this short flight. I really enjoyed my flights on board Croatia Airlines. You can check out my other 2 Croatia Airlines Dash Q400 flights, they were also amazing. Alright, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, I really appreciate a like or a comment. If you don't want to miss my upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button and see you soon in another trip report.